Hi everyone, so I want to share with you what I've created. I did a swap with my crafty bestie Lauravcrafty here on YouTube and Instagram, and I had came up with this idea where anybody can do it. If you want to, just use the hashtag bestiecraftbox and definitely tag both her and I so we can see what you made. But basically what it is you send a package to your crafty bestie and you send one main item and then a bunch of little pieces so that they can decorate that main item. So she sent me 4 sheets of paper, and this is what I have left of those 4 sheets. And then you can see right here I was testing some ink to see how it blended on the paper, and it was StazOn. And then look, I got it on my fingers. Oh, my poor nail polish. This polish worked so well. It lasted well over a week, but it's time to retire it and say goodbye because it's looking pretty scary now. And I just got StazOn ink on there, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get that off. So she sent me the paper, and then I thought I had to use this coffin, but she said no. She just sent that as like a pretty way to package the items that were for the swap. So she sent this ribbon right here, which I did not use. She sent some of this ribbon, which I did use. She sent some of these styrofoam bones from Dollar Tree, and I did use one of those. She sent these beautiful black roses, and I did use this. And then she sent some sequins, which I did use as well. Not all of it, just pieces of it. And then she sent these really cute little black, like gemmy spiders, which I did use. And then these are like little diamond dots, but I did not use these. So, oh, and well, you'll see. So, and then there's more on here that is not in the box to share because I used it all. So, here is the big reveal. Da-da-da-da! So she sent me this ink from Dollar Tree, and this is how I went ahead and I altered it. So you can see I used every single piece of paper. So I went from like the white to the gray to the black, and then I used the hollow over here. Here is that little bone from Dollar Tree that she sent. There's the black rose. Here is one of the spiders. And then I'm not sure if you can see in here, but the sequins, I did just go ahead and glue one by one. So the K has the little stars. She made these little resin pieces. So I dangled one spider here, another spider here. And then on the E, I picked out the black stars. So the E has the black stars with this little spider gemmy right here. And then on this E, I took out the bats that were part of the sequence and put it on this E. And then I put 2 gemmies on here. And then she did send me this spider, which I hot glued to the broom. And then here is the broom, and it was really orange, and I didn't want a whole lot of color on here. I wanted to go with the black and white theme. So I took my ink pad and I just rubbed the black ink all over it to just go ahead and stain it. And then I had this straw in my stash that someone gifted to me. So I love this. I wish I would have more because they sent me 2 and I already used both of them. And I thought this went well with the whole spider theme. And then on top, I just put a black little rhinestone gemmy up here. So that is my little creation. So the chain I included is, in my mind, the spider web from the spiders. You know, they didn't do a traditional spider web. The chain is their web right here. So we have our little bat resin piece floating, which she also made. And then here are 2 of the resin spiders that she also made and sent to me. So I think this came out really cute. Oh, and I did paint it black all the way around. It's black. Oh, and here's that ribbon that she sent also. I used it to wrap it around the broom up here, but it's kind of hidden with the bow and the spider, so you can't see it unless you flip it around to the back. And then, like I said, she sent me this broom, and I just glued it to the E and to the K. And if you can see back here, I cut it shorter than the front up here because I wanted the bristles to dangle over the K. So I just trimmed a little bit in the back. So yeah, this is what I came up with. So like I said, if you want to join in on this challenge and you want to do a swap, I don't have anybody to swap with, you can let me know, or you can let Laura know. I'm sure either one of us will be happy to go ahead and swap with you. Or if you have a crafty bestie, like I said, just use the hashtag bestiecraftbox, and basically the rule is you send one main item piece. So like this was the eek, and then you want to send enough items for them to go ahead and alter it. So she sent me the paper, the rhinestones, the jemmies, the flowers, the bones, the sequins, ribbon, and all of this other stuff. So she sent me way more than enough that I needed to go ahead and alter it. And then the last kind of rule to it is try to use everything as much as possible that was sent to you. I mean, of course, you can use stuff from your stash. Like I used the chain, and then I used some eye screws over here to attach to the chain, and then, I painted it black, and I used the jemmy up on the top of the straw. But other than that, I think that's all that I used from my stash, and everything else to complete this all came from what she sent me. So, if you do this video, go ahead and try to use as much as possible of what they sent to you. And basically that's it. And just tag us and use a hashtag so we could go and check out what you guys made. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.